Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic Scanner. In this week I will also check how the price has behaved in the previous week, and also is there any patterns for the next week, and also how to use the Harmonic Scanner in your favor. First of all, I would like to show you in the previous week analysis I have used euro against Australian dollar on the 4-hour time frame. It was a bullish bad pattern, indicated further rise in value. So if I take a look how the euro against, euro against Australian dollar, how it has behaved, we can see that the price has moved in the direction of the bullish bad pattern. It has reached the first take profit, which is very great, so we can move a stop loss just above the entry level, just in the case if the price returns back down against us and it closed the trade with a small profit, instead losing this trade as a negative one. So for now, as it looks, I'm expecting that the price will try to reach also the take profit 2 level, where the price is currently heading. The next one which I have mentioned was, it was here, euro against Japanese yen. And we can see I have also analyzed this one in the previous week analysis. If you have not watched, feel free to check that so you are informed. Euro against Japanese yen, it was expected that the price will rise in value, reaching 163.36. 136.0, and we can see that the price has reached the take profit. So this one is successful one, which is a great indication of this, how the Harmonic Scanner can show you, and also when you make the analysis you increases the chances of profitability. So this one has been successful. We can take this one with the risk reward 3.8, which is a great one. So first of all, we are waiting for the euro against Australian dollar to reach also the take profit to be successful, but we can also make a conclusion that this one will be profitable, at least with a small profit. If you are willing, you can also move a stop loss above this first support level, just in case if the price returns below this support, it will try to reach this area, so you can close this trade with a higher profit. Now, the third one I have mentioned, it was also mentioned inside the Telegram group with the traders. You can see that here. Today I have one that is coming close to the potential reversal zone. It was New Zealand dollar against CHF on the 4-hour time frame, indicating decline in value, where the first take profit would be around 0.51 and 0.50. This one that has been shared for the gold members, so if you would like also to be here inside the Telegram group, feel free to join the gold membership. And then we can see how the price has behaved. New Zealand dollar against CHF. This week we can see that the price has dropped down and it has reached almost the second take profit. So for now we can see that it is possible to move a stop loss below here just to lock this profit if the price returns back above against you. So if you would like, you can also move this one here just in case to increase your profit. So for now I'm waiting and I'm expecting that the price will reach the take profit too. So this will be also a successful trade here on this bad pattern. So we have 3 bad patterns that has been analyzed, which are successful. 2 of them, first one is complete and it is profitable, successful one. The second 2 all reached the first take profit and they are going to the take profit too. Now, how to move further on? Well, if you have any questions, like here inside the Telegram group, there are traders that are asking some kind of questions. You can see I'm sharing the answers and also explaining how I'm making the analysis and how to use the Harmonic Scanner. Well, the Harmonic Scanner usually shows you potential trade, and that means it shows you pattern that has been formed on the chart on different symbol on different time frame. We can see that I have 4-hour time frame and I have other time frames. If I switch to the daily, you can see that here they are Cypher and 3 black crowns pattern that has been formed on the chart, so you can make the analysis and also trade them if you would like. Now, the Harmonic Scanner shows you potential targets. It is up to you to make the analysis and also to decide will you follow that pattern and blindly open the trade and wait for the price to move in your direction. But what I'm doing all the time is, if I have received a notification, that means here inside the Harmonic Scanner, if you click here, I remove this filter. Inside the settings here, you can select what do you want to track. Here inside the time frame, I have selected I would like to have a 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame to watch, and only the bad pattern. And when this the scanner detects on the daily or the 4-hour time frame a bad pattern on symbols I have defined here inside the watch list, it will be populated here. Now you can see I have a large list of all of the patterns that has been detected, and these patterns have been sent to the Telegram because I have activated Telegram bot to receive notification when this pattern has been formed. So when I click on it, for example on this one, Euro Japanese Yen, I immediately open the chart to see how this pattern looks on the chart currently. The next step, what I do is to define, is this pattern, which is currently a bullish pattern, indicating further rise in value, is it in line with the trend? Currently, what I can see, it was a bullish trend, which is great. But then the price returned back down and then back down, which means this is moving sideways. So there is no clear trend, so I can skip this one. But if I take a look here in this one, which I have traded for here, you can see that, just a minute. In this case, this was a bullish trend, and in this bullish trend, the price has formed this bullish bad pattern when the price has reached the D point, indicating further rise in value. After that, this was the first filter. It was a good one, so I have moved to the next level, forming this bullish, this resistance and support level, to see is these levels that the bad pattern has been showing me is the correct and in line with them. So after I have confirmed that these entry levels, the stop loss, the take profit 2 levels are very close, I have modified some of them just to be in line very close to these area of support and the resistance levels. After I have moved them and seen that there is potentially the price could reach the second take profit, we can see that it is below the very important resistance level. I have moved on and then opened the trade. So I have increased the profitability and successfulness of this bullish bad pattern by just using two filters. First one is in line with the trend, and this trend should be on the same time frame you are watching. In this case, it is on the 4-hour time frame. I cannot watch the daily time frame and say, oh, take a look here, we are currently moving sideways because the price was dropping down, moving up, then dropping down, and we can see there is no clear trend like in this example where the price is dropping down. Now, you should pay attention to the same time frame where you are trying to make the trade and also where the pattern has been formed. In this case, it was a 4-hour time frame. So in this case, I was trading this one and the price is moving in the direction of the trend, which is a great one. Now, in this case, we can see that Euro against Japanese Yen. Oh, sorry, this is not the one. So this is all the steps that I'm currently also doing. So if you would like also to have notification on the Telegram, feel free to go here inside the notification tab and select these settings and also put the watch list which symbols you would like to add. Here inside the monitor, you have potentially an area where you have a chart with the table below to make some kind of the analysis on the statistics. Here inside the settings, you can select which patterns you would like to track, which time frame, and also which asset classes. Then you can see that I have put here the bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame and the daily. I'm using 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, and using only bad pattern because it is easier to track only one, and also on the higher time frame because it is more reliable. But you can go on the lower time frame, like a 1-hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, but you need to make some kind of analysis to see how the price is behaving and also how these patterns are behaving on that time frame. If you increase the successfulness, and that means making some kind of analysis just to confirm that the pattern that has been formed showing the same direction, you will increase the successfulness. Here inside the security, you can go into more details which symbols you would like to use, and you can see I have used only major. Then you have here reload the list, you can clear the filter, you can take the screenshot, you can go to full screen mode. But here inside this table, you can see there is a status, which means failed is where the price has reached a stop loss. We can see that the price has reached the stop loss from the potential reversal zone and the entry level. The successful one was the one that has reached the take profit 2. We can see this is a potential reversal zone, the entry level. The price did not reach a stop loss, but it has reached the take profit 2 level, which is successful. So you have also a complete, which means this one is available to trade. The price did not reach the stop loss and did not reach the take profit 2 level. So you can see these inside this one table here. You have lots of these details that you can use in your favor to make the analysis and also the statistics, but you can also use the reward to risk ratio. You can see which one are good for trading. Now you can see most of the time it is above 3.0 a risk reward, which is a great. So you can have 2 trades, a bad one, you can have 1 trade successful, and you will be in profit. Now you can see how to use the Harmonic SEP scanner. Usually it is the best to trade with other traders, so if you would like to join, you can also go to the gold membership and join to the Telegram. You will get the access to this Telegram channel after you join with the gold membership. So if you would like to daily be updated and also to ask questions, to share your analysis on which pattern has been detected by the Harmonic SEP scanner, and also you will have access to me directly over this Telegram, so you can ask any questions anytime. I will try to answer as soon as possible. So this is the advantage of the using gold membership, and also there is more others things that you can also check that, but if you would like to learn more, feel free to join, then we can also discuss in more details. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.